Now we're action.
All right, we are at 2117 Feathercomb. We're doing a repair for a repairability test. This is the shingle we'll be repairing. This shingle is part of this shingle tab here, so we'll be manipulating these areas above. That's already unseated. There's that. A lot of granular loss. You can hear that just in trying to manipulate these few shingles. Still nailed somewhere here. There it is. Temperature outside today is about 72 degrees, so the shingles should not be brittle in any way based on the temperature. You hear that granular loss? Pretty obvious. This roof is extremely brittle. I'm going to go ahead and wipe my hand across this to simulate the first rainfall. And you can clearly see, you might want to move the camera in a little closer for this. You can see all the, let's zoom in close. You can see all of the granulars are lost here. Clear and defined crack right here that you can see from manipulating. You can even see the loose granulars coming off just from this. Again, a crack along here, crack along here, and a crack along here. So this is a fail.